Hi, this is your Byram Stanhope chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm going to be going over a stretch that you can do anywhere. A very portable stretch, you can do it, and sometimes people won't even notice that you're doing this stretch. What you're going to achieve with this is you're going to get release from a tight hip flexor, which can be causing hip and low back pain. The other thing that this can help with is people who have lumbar radiculopathy who are extension biased, meaning they get relief from their low back pain going into their leg when they go into extension. Very simple once again. You're going to put your hands like this on your low back, kind of where your belt is, where those back dimples are would be a good landmark too. Nice flat contact. You just take your back and arch backward like this, and kind of let your hands guide your back backward. You just push a little bit with the hands, it's not much. If you need to adjust the positioning of your hands, you can go down or you can go up depending on what feels better. You just go back and you're not going to pump like I'm doing, I'm just doing that to show you the changing of the hands. And you just go back to the point of a comfortable, relieving position. You can hold this for about 30 seconds or longer, whatever's going to feel good. And you just hang out here. Do this multiple times throughout the day to get the relief you're looking for. It's very helpful for people who are extension biased with lumbar radiculopathy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a question, drop a line below and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, this is your Byram Stanhope chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.